Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by creating a custom shortcut that explicitly opens Apple Maps. First, make sure your iPhone is updated and Shortcuts is installed. Open Shortcuts, tap the plus icon, and choose Add Action. Search for and add the action Ask for Input, set it to text, and label it Destination. This gives you a place to type or paste addresses. Once done, the shortcut will accept an address and pass it to the Maps action in the next step. Now connect that input to Apple Maps. Add the Maps action called Show Directions and set the destination to the shortcut's provided input. Choose a transport mode, driving, walking, or transit, so Maps opens with the right route. Optionally add Wait to return or Show Result if you want a preview. Tap the play button to test, type an address and confirm it opens Maps with directions. Make sure the route looks correct. If not, tweak the input parsing or transport mode. Finish by saving and deploying the shortcut so it becomes your quick default method. Tap the three dots, choose Add to Home Screen for a one-tap opener, and add a Siri phrase so you can say the command instead of tapping. Use it in place of other map links when you want Apple Maps. If the shortcut doesn't open Maps, make sure Shortcuts has permission to use Location and allow untrusted shortcuts if applicable. Also confirm Maps is installed and your address in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.